Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online class for July 2022. In this class, we will be creating 6 beautiful handmade cards using the Artistic Mix Decorative Masks. The stamp set is your choice. I will be using the True Beauty Bundle, which includes the True Beauty stamp set and the coordinating Organic Beauty dies. I recommend using a floral set with solid flowers and leaves. In this class, we will be learning 2 different ways to use the masks, and we'll start with basic techniques and move to more advanced techniques. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com. The direct link is below in the description. I'm excited to share these cards with you today, so let's go check them out now. Here are the cards we will be making in this class. This is a technique class. We will be focusing on how to use the Artistic Mix Decorative Masks. The stamp set will be your choice. I will be using the True Beauty Bundle. We will be learning different ways to use the masks, starting with basic techniques and moving to more advanced. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be fun. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. This class will run from Monday, July 25th through Saturday, July 30th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is in the description below. Registration for this class closes on Saturday, July 16th. Sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include pre-cut cardstock, envelopes, the Artistic Mix Decorative Masks, a roll of silver trim, and 12 sheets from the lovely Layers Vellum. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the silver trim and Artistic Mix Decorative Masks. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week of July 25th. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you're able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with a written PDF with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You will want a floral stamp set and coordinating dies or punch. I recommend using something with solid images that do not need to be colored. I will be using the True Beauty Bundle, which includes the stamp set and the Organic Beauty dies. If you would like help choosing a stamp set, you can contact me. You will also need Highland Heather, Fresh Freesia, Balmy Blue, Tahitian Tide, Pear Pizzazz, and Soft Sea Foam ink pads, as well as the Memento Black ink pad. Here are the tools you will need. You will want some blending brushes, and I'm going to use one in each color family. So I have a green, a purple, and a blue. You will also want a stamparatus. This tool is really helpful in holding the masks in place. You will want your paper trimmer, and if you are using a stamp set that has coordinating dies, you will need a Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. You will also want to have ribbon scissors and your paper snips, as well as a bone folder. Your Take a Pick tool is really important as well because we're going to be using the stylus tip, so make sure you have one of those. And then of course, coordinating clear blocks and your favorite adhesives. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.